So you can also now swap tokens on Coinmarketcap MDEX. So this is a new update on Coinmarketcap. It says here that earlier this month, Coinmarketcap made it possible for users to swap tokens on the website, right on the website. So before, you only check the price of a token on Coinmarketcap before going elsewhere to swap. We've made it even easier for you to submit. So we've made it even easier for you by putting swaps right where you check your prices. So you no longer have to navigate away from Coinmarketcap's price page. So apparently, guys, this is a new update on Coinmarketcap. It's just like the Uniswap that they did, the option that they did earlier on. I think Uniswap was the first one, but now they've added MDEX. MDEX is another way you can swap. So with the addition of MDEX, swapping on CoinMarketCap, users can swap tokens using both Uniswap and MDEX, two of the most popular exchanges on CoinMarketCap. And Uniswap is kind of more popular than MDEX, but the thing is that the unique quality of MDEX is that MDEX is cheaper. It has low gas fees, and the rate of speed of transaction is kind of faster. So for every supported network and token, you'll be able to connect your supported crypto wallet and start swapping in a safe and secure way. So guys, this is a very good one on CoinMarketCap. A very good update. And here it talks about what MDEX is. Remember they did an airdrop on MDEX some while ago. Said MDEX is a decentralized trading protocol launched in January this year that operates with the concept of funding pools. So as an automated market maker, AMM, MDEX uses a dual chain model on both the Ethereum network and the Huobi Ecological Chain (ECO). Said MDEX claims to support a confirmation time of about 3 seconds, which is the time frame is faster and very low gas fees due to the dual chain model that takes advantages of Ethereum and ECO networks. So that's the major concept as regards what MDEX is in particular. So guys, what you can do, I'll be dropping the links in the description box below. If you want to swap any token, you just go over to CoinMarketCap, register if you're a new user, log in, then look for the coin you want to swap. You can swap them to any of the most popular coins that you want, and the transaction is usually very fast. So first you need to navigate of the coin, then you wish to swap. You'll see a converter below a selection of two coins on the right side option. So once you click to swap, you'll be able to select the cryptos that you wish to swap. At this point, you need to connect a wallet, sign in blockchain transaction. So make sure that you've checked the liquidity provider fee that will be charged, the route. So for more information, you can check. So guys, I'll be dropping all the links you need to see to get access to uh this token swap uh, new input on the platform on CoinMarketCap. So guys, one love. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel. This video adds value to you. You kindly give it a thumbs up. If it does not add value to you, click the dislike button twice and drop in the comment section. Let us know what you feel, or just leave us a comment before you go. So one love, guys. It's your boy Keys.